Welcome, it's day 4. I'm going to give you your flexible mind daily challenge. The theme we're working with today is remember. Now, today's challenge I think is really fun. It is probably a step out of the comfort zone for a lot of you. It's going to ask for you to get a little bit creative and maybe a little bit vulnerable, but honestly, I think it's going to be really fun. So our theme is remember. I want you to take some time and to remember a favorite childhood memory. It could be anything. So a childhood memory that made you light up, that brought you joy, that makes you really happy, something that really feels prominent and important to you. And then step 2, I want you to draw it. I want you to draw it, paint it, whatever it is. And I know some of you are going to be like, oh, I can't draw. I'm not an artist. That's the point. That's okay. You can do this with pen, with pencils, with markers, with crayons. It doesn't matter. It's really not about the finished product. It's not about creating something that's like really beautiful and aesthetically pleasing. It doesn't even need to be something that's a good representation of your memory. It's more about connecting this remembrance and connecting this memory and allowing it to flow through you and to become a physical, tangible thing. It's also just about stepping out of your comfort zone and doing something you're not used to doing. And now for those of you who are feeling, extra motivated with these out of your comfort zone challenges, I want you to share your drawing or your painting, your doodle, whatever it is. So if you have it laid out, I would love for you to share an image of your memory and maybe just explain your memory a little bit. And you can share that over in our Facebook group or even on Instagram, wherever. But it would be really fun. I would love to see what you guys create. I'll post a link to our Facebook group in the description below. And remember, just have fun with this. Think of your favorite memory and try to put it down on paper. You don't have to be a good artist. It doesn't have to look good. It doesn't need to be an accurate representation of your memory. It's really just an act of letting go of judgment and just having fun with it. Remember what it's like to be a kid and to just do arts and crafts and to just doodle stuff without the expectation of making something beautiful and perfect. So I can't wait to see what you guys create. I hope you'll share it with me. I'm curious and I'm excited. And I think this is going to be a good daily challenge for remembrance. So have fun with it, and I'll see you again tomorrow for day 5.